So, Marcus, there's been a real buzz around 3I Atlas. Not just within the astronomy community, but in science fiction circles and even social media. What is it about this particular visitor that's making everyone stop and stare?
Honestly, Arya, it's the pileup of oddities. Most objects from interstellar space give us a handful of surprises. But 3I Atlas is a perfect storm. Its odd orbit, the heavy metals in its spectrum, weirdly low water content, and even how its brightness shifts. Each quirk alone would be a conversation starter. But combined like this, it's irresistible for both data nerds and big dreamers.
It's wild how much one object can fuel both hard science and wild speculation. I notice folks are quick to leap from anomaly to alien, but the truth usually lies in the details and in the patient digging, right?
That's spot on. The fun is in the detective work. The reason 3I Atlas nudges our imagination is that these anomalies stretch across different fields: motion, chemistry, even how it scatters light. When every test seems to whisper, "This doesn't fit," scientists are basically being dared to widen their lens.
Speaking of lenses, you mentioned the sun itself playing tricks on our observations. How exactly does gravitational lensing by the sun make 3I Atlas even trickier to study?
What's so fascinating is the sun acts almost like a cosmic magnifying glass, bending light from anything passing nearby. For 3I Atlas, the timing was uncanny. It skimmed the closest point behind the sun just as Earth lost direct sight of it. So its light got a subtle nudge, which actually warps where we see it in the sky.
So we're trying to watch a moving target through a funhouse mirror, basically. That must make teasing out what's truly odd about 3I Atlas versus what's just lensing effects a real challenge.
Exactly. Astrophysicists have to model these lensing shifts very carefully. Otherwise, we risk chalking up a weird position or acceleration to the wrong cause. It's a cosmic case of making sure your glasses aren't smudged before you point out something strange in the distance.
All this talk of anomalies has people playing what if. Let's lean into it for a second. Imagine you're designing an alien probe. What would you do to blend in? And is it possible 3I Atlas is checking those boxes?
It's one of those scenarios that's as fun as it is sobering. If you wanted to sneak a probe into a planetary system, you'd hug the ecliptic for easier access, keep your actions hidden by operating during solar conjunction, and dress up your probe with a cometary disguise, dusty coma, muted emissions. The whole works.
You make it sound almost like cosmic cosplay. But on a serious note, what would really tip the scales from weird rock to artificial visitor? What signals or patterns would you flag?
Look for mismatches, say a push in its path that doesn't match any visible gas jets, or light signatures